We need 2 eggs.
We need 2 eggs?
We need 2 eggs.
Gotcha.
Aha!
You see it? I can grab it.
Yeah, it's up here.
Which one? There's like 3.
This is the big one. Don't break it.
I'm not trying to.
Go.
All right, we did it.
Ah.
Trey, you know what I can use this
What?
for?
What? Stop.
Okay, we got the cupcake mix.
I feel like this is gonna explode.
Why do you say that?
Because when it falls, just okay. It's fine.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Get out.
All right.
I should. Yeah, I'll do it here. I'm gonna spill. I'm gonna do it. Whoa.
Now you have to carefully make your way towards the thing.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna drip.
Oh! Where did it drip on?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
We don't talk about it.
Okay. You don't talk about
Oil.
Just so blunt. We don't talk about oil. How many?
That's fine.
Oh,
3.
First
Don't screw it up.
How am I gonna?
Just don't screw it up.
Okay.
Just don't.
I already know I'm gonna get a comment saying you suck at cracking eggs. They're like, I'm sorry. Oh no.
Just don't. Is there a shell?
No.
Did you get a shell in?
No, I didn't get a shell.
Okay,
in.
all right,
All
all
right. Where should I put this?
In the sink.
Okay, in the sink. We don't talk about Bama.
Bama? Did you just say Bama?
Yes.
What happened to the first syllable? Shut up.
All right.
This is vigorously. It said to do it vigorously.
Oh my gosh. You're gonna break something.
This is very thick.
Really?
Very.
Let me. Oh, thick?
Yeah.
Like Sylvia's ass?
No. No.
Dude, you're red at the face. So bad. You're so angry.
Steam coming out of my ears.
Exactly.
No. I think this is pretty mixed.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, it's not. There's still flour. You do it.
Okay. Peace. You like that?
Yeah.
Rubber ducky, you make bath time so much fun. Oh my gosh.
Vigorously. It says vigorously. There you go.
Oh. Wait, I'm a lefty.
You are? No. Oh.
Actually, that doesn't work somehow.
Well, you're not. It's not the same motion.
Yes.
Oh. Hey.
See, viewers, this is what happens when you're still a virgin.
What are you talking about?
No.
What?
I don't know. No bitches.
What?
I don't know. I'm just saying that.
Stop talking.
Okay. Gotta get that Shrek pussy.
Alright, we're done.
We're testing something. So this could go either very wrong or very right.
Oh my. It's viscous. Oh.
How much does it need to be in?
I don't know. It said roughly 3 tablespoons.
Oh, God.
Would you get off?
Oh my God.
Roughly 3 tablespoons in each little hole.
And that's tablespoon?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? We kind of need it for the...
I'm guessing. That's what you do as a chef. You guess.
That's why I'm filming, just in case something goes horribly wrong.
Document the horror.
Making Reese's cupcake gone wrong, gone sexual.
We're gonna have 11 very big cupcakes and one very small cupcake. That's what's gonna happen.
Exactly. What did you do? Oh gosh, that's scary.
How?
Ah! I didn't expect you to just beep this loud.
It's an oven.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Oh man. Oh my gosh, well, shut up.
This is proving to be problematic. Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. What, 220 minutes? What did we say? Oh, 15 to 20.
Okay. Hey, 220 minutes.
Hey Google, set timer for 15 minutes. Hey Google, set timer for 15 minutes.
Why is it still loading?
Oh.
We gotta do it now before it gets overtime.
He's not turning on.
Take the trash.
What? Hey Siri, set timer for... Oh, I have Harry Potter on. Set timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
What?
It saw you talking to
Cancel timer.
It saw you talking to Siri and was like, oh hell no. You ain't not replacing me with that bitch. You
I heard a bad word.
Louise.
No. Alright, let's see.
Whoa.
Ooh.
What the?
One
Oh,
of-
my glasses.
They're varying in sizes.
Oh, that's clean as a... Nothing. I'm not going to finish this. What?
I don't even know what you were to say.
I was right. We have some differing sizes.
At least.
You didn't put the eggs away. Man.
I'm sorry. I thought you were in charge of that.
Yeah, I was. Cut a hole. About 1 1/4 inches in diameter.
Okay, how can we...
I'm just gonna cut a hole. I don't know. I should probably use a butter knife, maybe.
I do like butter knives.
Circle. I don't know what I'm doing. Bro, what?
Alright, I gotta open that carrot.
Okay, I guess I cut a hole in it.
But you gotta keep that.
Do I keep it?
To put it on top.
You're right.
This is the stupidest thing I ever had to do.
Awful. This is not gonna work. How are we gonna ice these?
I don't know. Let's see. Okay.
Don't.
1, 2, 3, 4, and
Just one.
one.
Okay.
Okay. There we go. We had to put 5 to 6 each in these things.
Look at this. How do we even how do we put icing on that?
We just gotta believe. You know, this is why I don't buy like Reese's themed or any company themed cakes, because shit like this happens. It's just not gonna work. Okay, 4, 3, and those 2. Wait, is that 4?
That's 5.
Oh, is it? Okay.
That's 5. Gently.
Ooh,
press
guys,
down.
scan this to see. I don't know what you guys are gonna get, but
I might scan it.
yeah, we'll scan it. If it gives us like a lifetime supply of Reese's, we might have to edit this out the video. So they don't get it.
Only one person can get it.
That's me.
Any day. Come on. We need 5. Oh my gosh!
I didn't mean to do that.
Just whatever.
Well, I have extra. How wonderful.
This is the worst thing I've ever done. What? How are we gonna ice these?
We just gotta believe. 4 and 5. Okay. Okay.
That's nice. Good job.
We successfully, more or less, successfully reseed the reseed the cupcakes. Betty Crocker, you're a whore.
Yeah, I guess she is.
I really.
I'm so uncomfortable. I'm so uncomfortable.
Portia.
Okay, it's okay. Oh,
Ew.
How much do we put on?
I don't know. We have to like scrape them,
Hey,
right? Hold on.
got
What's it supposed to look like?
A little design.
Hey, we need that much on
It
it.
looks like garbage.
Why did your mom?
Betty's tip. This is from Betty herself, the woman herself.
Oh my gosh.
After frosting the cupcake, immediately decorate your favorite sprinkles.
Well, thanks for the tip.
Squeeze about 2 teaspoons of... Oh, yeah, I'll be able to measure out 2 teaspoons.
How the heck are we... Number one, the one on the cover doesn't look like 2 teaspoons. Or am I just crazy? I don't know.
I don't know. I'm just gonna shit some of this out. There we go. There we go. Oh. And then you'll go around and spread after this.
Ooh. Spread, you say? There's too many characters for me to choose from to make a joke out of that.
I don't know. I feel like I'm running out here. I don't know how we're
Nick
gonna...
Wilde.
Good. I'm glad you put that together. I'm glad you figured that one out. Just... Dude, we don't have enough. There's no way we have enough.
Are you serious?
There's no way.
That was actually really good too.
It's pretty good. Like, look, how are we gonna... There's no way this is enough. I mean, it's like a toothpaste tube.
See,
Actually, we might be able to get
this thing barely had any batter, and now it has barely any frosting. What the hell?
I don't know, dude. Oh no, we're running out.
So these, I think it's supposed to. Ooh, I'll take that.
Whoa, where'd that come from?
I don't know, but I'm taking it. This can't compete with like gingerbread icing, though.
Yeah. Okay.
I bet you haven't even tasted.
We might. What's wrong with you?
What? Oh no!
What happened?
You dropped another.
I'm not even paying attention. This is not enough icing. Oh! Okay, it's enough icing. We need to get any extra on the bad ones. Okay, don't screw it up.
I'm gonna try not to. Okay. I don't even know how to do it without like taking out of it.
Whoa, okay.
I gotta do...
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
I think that's the best I can do for this little booger.
There's no icing on it. What the heck?
I'm trying to spread it. Yeah, look at that. See, we're the baking channel of YouTube. We're gonna take over.
That looks so bad.
I don't know what to do. You gave me a limited amount of frosting.
The whole thing is limited.
That's fair.
This might be the best one we had.
Yeah.
Don't make it worse. Oh.
What's happening?
Okay. There's like...
I'm trying to spread it, but it's
a
just...
thin layer of icing.
Well, it's not my fault.
I'm not complaining at you.
Oh. Okay.
All right.
I'm spreading it like... I don't want to use that character.
Okay.
If you saw that new trailer for Pause Fury, I think you'd know where I was going with that joke. That was a total gosh, I wish that were me moment.
Alright, we're done.
So I was going to lead into that about how when that particular scene happened in the Pause Fury trailer, how you and Ash both looked at me.
It's pretty clear now to us what you like and what you don't like.
What I don't like, though? Actually,
farting.
Yeah, I don't like farting. Farting's gross. I hate it. Even though now after learning that was actually a homage to...
Homage?
Well, what else can I call it?
Homage.
Homage to the fart scene in Blazing Saddles. I guess it's a little funny, but I don't know.
I mean, it's less funny and more just, like, interesting.
Like, that's fair, actually. They made a fart joke interesting instead of being funny. These look like horrible Minecraft, like, cupcakes that,
they
like...
They do look like Minecraft bricks.
But, like, this
that one looks so bad.
I know.
Ooh, close up. Ooh, yeah, better idea. Oh yeah.
I don't know what to do because there's a divot in there. It goes down, so all I could do is just whatever I'm doing right now. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a long ass video of us just ruining cupcakes. Not ruining, no, attempting.
Yes,
because
ruining.
we're improving as bakers. You wouldn't believe we made 3 cookies. The first one was awful. It was very salty. It was salty and ugh. First batch, we were getting closer. Still wasn't perfect though. We were still unsatisfied. The third batch, which Keith ruined by shaking. No joke. While I was trying to place the cupcake cookies on a little rack. Do you have a rack to show?
Nope.
Okay. Well, on a little rack.
I think I know what a rack is, though. So
okay. That's fair. On a little rack, I was trying to place the cookies on there, but then Keith, Charlie's uncle over here, was just shaking the whole thing. I wish that was spilled because that was so funny. I almost died of laughter. It caused me.
Everyone was burned.
It was burned, yeah. We massacred a bunch of cookies that day too.
Look at that one.
Yeah. See, that would. The thing is, even though this was done well, this isn't what it's supposed to look like.
Comparatively, it's much better. But if you just look at it alone, it's not a great cupcake. It looks just bad.
I know.
No, I'm not saying like the whole cupcake. It just is bad.
Oh gosh. If I ever had to, we're never making cupcakes again, unless they're like normal ass cupcakes.
Dude, I love cupcakes, but this looks terrible.
Is there such thing as fondant cupcakes?
You can put fondant on any cake, really.
That's fair. I want that for my birthday. Well, no, I want. These guys ruined my birthday last year. They didn't give me a fondant cake.
Oh my gosh. We were moving. We were literally in the process of a move.
Excuses.
Oh my gosh. That one looks so bad. What did you do?
I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done this before. And if I would have had, it would have been better than this. Because I've never seen such terrible instructions for cupcakes before. Oh gosh.
Nice.
So I spread them. They're all done. Just like Nick Wilde's ass cheeks, they are now spread.
Hey, dude, shut up.
They are done.
Yeah.
Do you think this will be worse?
That's just sad.
You think this will be worse than the first cookies? I'm not having that. I'm having my perfect one.
Your perfect one.
Ooh, I'm having actually no. I called this one and that one.
Okay, just here. You do it.
Okay, thank you. Actually, I will not have my perfect one. This has the most frosting, so I'm taking it. All right, let's, we'll cut back to you guys in a little bit. All right, now we're having the first taste test to see if these are good.
So, I don't...
How are they?
I missed the pieces.
Oh, God.
It's a cupcake. It's kind of dry.
I would assume so.
But it's fine. I don't know.
All right. I feel like the only thing I'm going to like about this is the frosting and the Reese's if I can manage to get to them. Oh, it's so out. Pick it up, this is dog.
Where? There's nothing there.
I said no, I'm going to pick it up because there's a dog in here. I got one of the Reese's.
Yeah. It's really meh.
I guess the Reese's adds something to it.
Yeah, it's just a
cupcake. But it just sucks.
It's just a cupcake, and it's not great. Not a great cupcake.
No, it's not just a cupcake. I have better cupcakes. This is like below average.
Well, it's a cupcake at least.
I mean, yeah, that's fair.
It's food, I guess.
Like if there was nothing.
That monstrosity.
That was dessert. There isn't that much left.
You have to like make out with it to eat it.
Oh gosh, look at that.
Ah,
it's nasty.
Oh man, that seriously looked like you were trying to make out with it. It's so funny. Well,
I've had worse cupcakes.
I mean, yeah, I've had worse. I feel like we've wasted an hour.
I would give this a 4 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd give it.
Betty, do better. I thought you were the man or the woman.
Betty sucks.
Exactly.
We hate Betty. All my homies hate Betty.
Exactly. No Betty, no bitches. You like him?
What? I told you they look awful. They're like all collapsed.
Yeah, I don't know why. And they're varying sizes too.
Who threw up on them? Why is there green all over?
We didn't do a great job of spreading. You actually got the best one. In terms of spreading, I mean.
Well, why do you think you picked it?